fix stretched screen issues for Windows 10. Now, if your display is dimming itself for some reason, let's say, and it is stretching or it is shrinking or doing something like that, it's quite simple to fix it. It's just that the resolution has not been set based on what your computer supports. So you want to first of all right click anywhere on your computer, and there you'll find display settings. On Windows 10 or Windows 11, in both, you'll find display settings where you have to simply go on it. Once you go to display settings, in my case, I have actually turned on a custom factor, but you can see the display resolution. You want to select this to the one that says recommended, because your computer, let's say, only supports 1080p, and let's say your computer does support up to 1080p and you're choosing a 720p resolution. That's when it could stretch itself. So you want to choose the one that your computer says recommended right here, and then that way you should be able to fix most of the issues that you have within your computer. Now you can also try to check if it is a driver issue. For that, you can try to update your Windows to the latest version, and that should most likely help you solve any issues as well. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.